Hello children, let us continue with the chapter Long and Short. Today we will be doing a few story sums. So let us begin. Running exercise. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took one round of this field. How far did he run? Now children, you can see the picture of the field. It is a square shaped field with each side of the length 500 meters. So he took one round of this field. We have to calculate how far did he run. So to find out, we need to add 500 meters 4 times because he ran around a square field. When we will add, we will get 2000 meters, which is equal to 2 kilometers, because you know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. The field was very far from his home, so he chose a park nearby. The boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. How many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers? Now children, the park is 400 meters. Its boundary is 400 meters. So we need to find how many rounds Devi Prasad should take so that he completes 2000 meters or 2 kilometers. So to complete 2000 meters, we will divide 2000 by 400 because length of one round is 400. And when we will divide, we will get 5. So Devi Prasad has to run 5 rounds of the park to complete 2000 meters. One day the weather was very good and a cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. So children, we have to find out that day he ran how many kilometers and how many meters. So one round is 400 meters and he took 8 rounds. So we will multiply it by 8. We will get 3200 meters. When we will convert it into kilometers, we will get 3 kilometers and 200 meters. So that day he ran 3 kilometers and 200 meters. How many rooms high? The Qutub Minar is 72 meters high. About how many meters high is your classroom? Children, it will be different for each child. Guess how many rooms, one on top of the other, will be equal to the Qutub Minar. So children, if we take our classroom to be 3 meters high and we have to find how many rooms, if kept on top of each other, will be equal to the height of Qutub Minar. So here we have to divide the height of Qutub Minar with the height of one room. So we will divide 72 meters by 3 meters and we will get 24 meters. So number of rooms to be equal to the height of Qutub Minar is 24. And we have made this guess on the basis of the height of our classroom. From Kozhikode to Thessalere. So Bodh is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away. Manjini is going to Thalsari, which is 46 kilometers away in the opposite direction. How far is Kozhikode from Thalsari? So children, this one is very easy because they both are going in opposite directions. So we will need to add their distances covered. So the distance will be 24 kilometers plus 46 kilometers and we will get 70 kilometers. So the distance from Kozhikode and Thalsari is 70 kilometers. How far is your home from school? Momum comes to school from very far. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond with slippers in his hand. He then walks 150 meters through the pond. Next, he runs across the 350-meter wide field. Then he carefully crosses the 40-meter wide road. Now we have to find out how much does Momun walk every day to reach school. So children, it is a simple addition problem. Here we will add all the distances. Distance of the pond from his home, then width of the pond, width of the green field and width of the road. So on adding 400 meters plus 150 meters plus 350 meters and 40 meters, we will get 940 meters. So the distance Momin walks each day to reach school is 940 meters. Is it more than 1 kilometer? So you know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So it is less. I wish I were a kite so that I could rise above this building's height. I wish I were a bird so that I could fly and reach above that kite. I wish I were a cloud so that I could move above those little birds. I wish I were a plane so that I could rise above the clouds and the hills. So children, try to find out which is the highest building that you have ever seen. About how many rooms high was it? So children, the answers can be different, but we can write, I saw Qutub Minar as the highest building. It was about 24 rooms high. How high can a kite go? Can it go higher than Qutub Minar? A kite may go up to 100 meters high. Yes, a kite can go higher than the Qutub Minar. How high can a plane fly? Can it fly higher than Mount Everest, which is about 9 kilometers high? So children, a plane can fly more than 10,000 meters high, which is 10 kilometers. So we can say a plane can fly higher than Mount Everest. Have you ever seen clouds below you? Children, I am sure if you would have ever flown in an airplane, you would have seen the clouds before or below you. Children, I hope you have understood this lesson well. Happy learning!